It's Matt, man. I'm by myself. Trav's out here. See, it's empty. He's not behind me. Here by myself. We're about to get on the river. We're gonna do a little bit of pickup, a little bit of fishing. I got some trash already from this area that I've already pulled up at, but we're gonna put up in the water and see if we can catch some fish, because I know I'm gonna catch some trash. So I'm here at this secret spot. Here at my spot, and we're gonna set up a hook real quick. I'm not gonna record that because that's gonna take me a minute, and I'm in the boat, so I'm gonna set up a hook real quick, and we're gonna get to fishing. So. So I've been fishing here for a good bit, right? And I've scoped it out. And I see this unusually shiny looking thing, and it's glass. So it's a glass bottle. I'm gonna unhitch from here and go over and grab it. My other camera died, so you'll see it in the bag later. But we're gonna go ahead and go out here and maybe go to the other side where it's nice and green and sunny, because I'm getting kind of chilly from this wind. Fish under them trees, maybe go down a little bit, but I'm not about to go really far, just for the fact that I don't want to paddle up river. So we're gonna unhook from here, guys, and we're gonna head that way, but not going very far. Now we are in the sun. The sun is shining down on me, and we're gonna go on down here and we're gonna relax. So yeah, just floating right now. I've seen a lot of nature today, so I'm hoping I got some good footage. I got a duck that flew by me, and I'm not really sure if the K camera got it, but we hope it did. But, I'm gonna get back to paddling, but it's a lot warmer out here than it was over there. Couldn't get any closer, but there's a deer right there. Holy crap! Doesn't even care. God dang, boy! He's thick! Not a care in the world. You like them leaves? How's them acorns over there? You got good acorns? How about them flowers? You like flowers? I know you like the flowers, right? Look at him, look at me. Oh, those are good flowers over there. Yup, go that way, yup. So that was really neat. We were coming up in here. We were gonna go to this tree over there to go fishing. And I just looked up and was looking for the alligator and seen the deer. And I was like, oh, whoa, I don't know if I can get close. He's probably gonna go run away or whatever if I got close. Sure enough, I was like, no, we're gonna do it. We're out here, let's do it. So I'm standing on the kayak right now, and I just got that shot that y'all see. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was really cool for me. I'm a big deer hunter, so I got, goosebumps right now. But we're gonna go ahead and get back on the water, and we're gonna go fishing a little bit because the sun's about to set, and we're not too far away from where we put in. So let's get at her. And there was a red-headed woodpecker too, a really big one. I wanted to record him because I haven't seen one of those in a while. But the deer just mesmerized me. Mesmerized. I don't know. Whatever. Got my Fort White edumacation. Alright guys, let's go fishing. Okay guys, I decided to throw out. I was like, I need to at least catch one fish today, and I did. They've been biting all day. He finally swallowed it, and I jerked that. I jerked it, and he's a big fish. Look how big he is compared to my face. I'm eating good tonight.